Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you an amazing formula I just found called the stock history formula. What the stock history formula does is it can show us any close, open, high, low, and volume for any given publicly traded stock on any given day. So it's an amazing formula that I've used to track my investments and to be able to quickly check on stock prices and other stock data while I'm in Excel instead of having to go to Yahoo Finance and search 10 different stocks. So these are a few ticker symbols that I just put in that I'm curious about their stock price. And then there's a few inputs that you need for the formula that I've kind of set up my table for. So you need a start and an end date. So the start date was my date invested. I'm just going to say last year on December 1st. And then these are going to be the two cells that I use my stock history formula in. And then I just set up a little table where I can see my return, my percentage return, and my dollar gain on each individual stock. And then what I like to do is I like to track it to the market index. I'm using the SPY, which tracks the S&P 500 index to see how I'd be doing if I invested in all of these stocks versus if I invested into the market. And then here I just put a little summary table of my investment versus what the market investment might look at. But let's jump into the stock history formula because it's super important. So I can go ahead and type in stock history is that first formula that pops up. And the first thing we're going to need is the stock or which company that we're looking at. So I'm going to select the one just above. I'm going to lock that row. And then I'm going to go ahead and select the start date, which is the next one, which that'll be the date invested. So I can select that, and then the next thing is the end date. In this situation, we're not even going to do it because I'm just going to look at single dates. But if you'd like to look at a range of, what Apple was from January 1st to December 1st, you can put in January 1st and then December 1st. But for our purposes, we're just going to look at a single date. And then it's going to ask if we want daily, weekly, or monthly. So I can put 0 because that's daily, because I just want to look at it for a single day. And then put another 0 for no header. It will show you the header for like a table. If we want closing price, open price, high price, we can show headers. For this purpose, I'm just going to do the close price though. So then we'll go ahead and do all that, and then we will hit enter. Then it says it's busy, it's searching. So boom, Apple was $148 on December 1st, 2022. And then what I can do is I'll just copy that over, and then it'll show me Tesla's, Amazon's, and Nikola's price of December 1st, 2022. Now, how would I want to do just for the table? So there you know how to use the stock history formula. What do I want to do? If I want to look at today's stock price, I'm going to go ahead. Right now it's locked to December 1st, and I'm just going to put today -1. So this is really important with the stock history formula because it does not show us data as of today. So we need to look at data on a trading day. So I'm going to look at the last trading day was Friday, December 8th. And so we can see it was $195. So if I invested in Apple on December 1st, I would have bought it for $148, and the most recent available closing stock price was $195. Then I can do the same thing. I'm going to drag that across, and then it just provides a nice little summary of what my investment would be. So if I invested in one share of each of these stocks on December 1st, 2022, I would have made about a 33% return. So what I like to do is now, since I've set up my formula, I can literally just copy and paste this over to the index, and then that'll show me what my return was versus the S&P 500. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. This formula is amazing. You can use it in so many different ways. We just wanted to show you guys this has been a huge help for me in my job and everything I'm doing. So, comment any questions you have. I might put out another video of different ways that you can use this, but like and subscribe. Super excited to keep sharing what I'm learning.